Here are 3 ways that you can get paid more money for your next consulting or coaching client, maybe even 3 to 10 times more. Are you ready? All right, number 1, don't sell from your wallet. What you have in your bank account is completely irrelevant to what a client will pay you. So level up that mindset so that you can get paid the big bucks. And it's not about you, it's about the impact and the value that you can bring to the client and the results that you can help them get. So never sell from your wallet. Number 2 is make sure that you are solving an urgent problem, something that they need right now, something that they've been trying to fix or trying to do and they haven't been able to accomplish it. Maybe they've even wasted money and time on trying to fix that problem. You can solve that problem for them quickly and easily, and you can get paid the big bucks to do it, because the more urgent the problem, the more likely they are to pay you the money that you're asking. So make sure that you're always going in with a big problem that you are solving that they need right away, and that will help you get more money. Number 3 is never sell by the hour, by the day. Sell by the value and the impact that you will bring to the client. So when you go in and solve that big problem for them, find out from them, what is that going to be worth to their company? What will that make them additionally, or what would they save when they fix that problem? And then you can price your services accordingly. Do not look around at everyone else in the industry and say, oh, I think this number sounds good. I think this is what I'll charge. That is not the best way to price. Take a look at what the impact is that you will make for that client and use their numbers, not yours, and then make it a no-brainer for them. Let's just say, for example, you can make $1 million impact in 1 year in their business with what it is you're going to help them do. Well, could you charge $100,000 for that? Absolutely. And time does not matter. The amount of time, the amount of hours that it is going to take you to finish the job does not matter. In fact, if you are an expert, you're going to be able to do it faster than someone who is less skilled or less experienced. So don't sell yourself short. Don't price based on time, because you're going to be faster. So you don't want to be penalized because you are faster and better at what you do, right? So sell by the value, sell by the impact. And even if you give them a 10 times return, $1 million bump, and you're charging $100,000, will still give them 10 times the investment that they will be making with you. This is how you get paid the big fees. If you want some help building an ultra high-end premium consulting or coaching business, and you want to get that business into $500,000 or $1 million or more with just a handful of clients, then reach out to me. Let's talk about how I can help you accelerate your growth, make more money, love your business, and work less. My name is Carden. Go to acarden.com and book a call now. Talk soon.